SQL injection happens when hackers insert malicious code into a website database through input files. This allows them to access or modify conditionally information. Insider threats come from employees or trusted individuals who misuse their access to harm the organization. They can leak data internationally or accidentally. DOS attacks flood a website or network with too much traffic, making it crash or go offline. This stops real users from getting access to it. Phishing attacks trick people into sharing personal information through fake emails or websites. Always double-check in links and messages before clicking on them. Spyware is a hidden program that secretly collects your personal data without you knowing. It can steal your information, invalidate your privacy, and slow down your computer. Ransomware locks your files and demands money to unlock them. It can cause serious data loss and financial damage if you don't have backups. Loggers record every key you press to steal things like password and credit card numbers. Using antivirus software and strong passwords can help protect you. Supply chain attacks happen when hackers break into a company through its suppliers or partners. They can cause massive data leaks and affect many organizations at once. ATM and POS attacks. Hackers target ATMs and payment systems to steal card data or cash. Keeping systems updated and using security tools and prevent these attacks. Botnets is a group of infected computers controlled by hackers to attack other systems. They're often used to spread spam or launch cyber attacks. Watering hole attack. Hackers infect websites that employees of a company often visit. When those users visit the system, their computer gets infected with malware. Drive-by attacks happen when your device gets infected just by visiting a malicious website. You don't need to click anything it to happen. Data breaches occurs when private or sensitive information is stolen or exposed. It can lead to identity theft, loss of trust, and financial problems. Malware is a harmful software designed to damage or steal information from your computer. It can lead to delete files, spy on users, or make your